I'm Taylor Lee Shepard. I'm working with arts organization New Orleans Airlift. This project is about seeing the sounds of a choir, illuminating a room with whispers, or seeing prayers turn into lightning. The site is this 19th century church in the Holy Cross neighborhood of New Orleans. The idea is to fill the nave of this deconsecrated church building with oscilloscopes that respond to the sounds in the room, and then bringing it all to life with the voices of choirs and the ringing of gongs and an elaborate theatrical opening ceremony. And then, every Sunday, as a church for a neighborhood congregation to hold services.
My name is Charles Blesses. I serve as senior pastor of Mount Nebo Bible Baptist Church. And the opportunity was presented to us to come into this sacred place to have our worship service on Sundays for about 3 months. Our congregation is excited about coming back in the community and also to intermingle with the different groups that will be sharing this sacred place.
And then serving as a performance venue for the next 3 months with concerts and performances and guest curators. With your support, we will acquire, collect, scavenge, and rewire the mountain of old CRT televisions we will need. We will build a structure and hook it all up with a bunch of microphones and amplifiers, and then we will pay our collaborators to create a piece of music and an experience that will be truly extraordinary, but only with your help. And the more we can raise, the more we can do. Thank you.